What's going on, guys? This is Ryan from Sled and Slide by Sides, and yeah, we are at Silver Lake, man. Check out all the dunes behind us. It's gonna be the first time we're gonna have the Rmax on the dunes, so yeah, super excited, man. And it's gonna be the first time we're testing out the Schmidty racing springs, so it's gonna be a fun day. We only got a couple hours. We just shot down here after work. It's been raining all day, but it's not raining now, so bonus. So yeah, we're gonna hop on, take a ride. My wife's never been here before, so it's been a long time since I've even been to the dunes. So yeah, should be a good time. Absolute blast so far. The old Rmax been doing pretty dang good. No paddles. I got 32s, 5 pounds of air, and we're getting around pretty good. So we are going to do a test, and what we're going to do is we're going to do test hill in 2-wheel drive. We're going to try it. We're going to see if we get through this whole section in 2-wheel drive and see what happens. Should be entertaining. So, just to prove that I'm not putting it in 4-wheel drive and doing a little fancy edit, we'll do this right here. 2-wheel. My wife's gonna hold the camera. 32-inch Rampage, it worked pretty dang good. I mean, got 5 pounds of air in them. We just climbed pretty much that whole test hill section in 2-wheel drive. We barely made it up test in 2-wheel drive, but we made it, so that's all that matters. We don't care. But
not that you barely made it up, you made it all the way at the last little bit. You barely made it up.
Yeah.
Give yourself credit for that.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, bottomed out super hard going up, just because the bottom of test is super whooped out, and I was going super fast. So you'll have that. I mean, no matter how hard you go, I mean, springs can only do so much. But I'm telling you what, so far, huge difference. Huge difference. First time my wife's ever rode in it, would you say better? How much better?
It's a lot better. It's
like,
at least, well, we never put on a trail since we put them on here, but to compare it, it's at least 85 to 90% better of just like knowing some of the sand involved.
It's super noticeable.
Super noticeable.
Like night and day noticeable.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, I know it sounds like $1,000. $1,000 is expensive to a lot of people out there. It's not cheap, and I didn't want to spend it. But telling you what, dude, before you do anything else, if I were to do it all over again, I'd get a windshield and I'll get these springs. I wouldn't get tires and wheels first. I would do those those two things first, right out of the gate. It's that much of a difference. But yeah, it's wild, pretty wild. So we're gonna do some more cruising. We're having a fun. We're having a blast. We still got a couple more hours of daylight yet, so we're gonna be having fun, man. There's gotta be more somewhere else. Wow. Yeah, we're having fun. We gotta do a damage report because I felt this side wheel hit pretty hard, but steering wheel looks straight. I don't see nothing bent, no flat tires, but this is the vantage point from right here. Maybe if I had paddles, maybe, but yeah, that's a big no. I'm not gonna do that again. I got lucky the first time. The second time, it's usually when you press your luck. And we're up here by ourselves. I don't feel like getting pulled out of here. So, but yeah, tie rod straight. Yeah, axles, no boots, no nothing. Tires still up. We're good. Alright, so I reviewed the footage. I did not have this in diff lock. So all that stuff that I said I wasn't going to do it again, we're doing it again. So, yeah. One more time. Hope I don't break anything.
He's going to try it this time with the diff locked. Apparently, he didn't have it that way the first time. Here with the diff lock on. Hey, did you lock the diff?
I like the diff.
Okay.
Let's try this again. I come through there, kind of eyed that up. I'm like, I wonder if I can make it through there. And the answer is no. But yeah, you see all the leaves. Well, we caught some grapevine or something. We'll just leave that on there for the rest of the day. But yeah, the old Rmax gets around the old Silver Lake pretty good. So if you got an Rmax and you're curious what it does on the sand dunes, it'll do pretty good. You don't have to have a set of paddles. Paddles would be better, but don't really need them. How's it going?
Have fun, just watch everybody else.
Oh yeah. Brand new
Jeep Wagoneer.
Jeep Wagoneer. Brand new. There's a whole bunch of them out here. They're doing some sort of testing or something because they were fixing them in the parking lot. And when I mean fixing them, I mean they had one of the control arms out, they had spindle out, like they did something. They were working on them. There's like 6 of them here. They all got special plates on them.
Those are cooler than the new Bronco.
We're racing up Test Hill. Well, it's about 8 o'clock, getting pretty close, so we're pretty much called tonight. But yeah, first time up here with the old Rmax at Silver Lake. We'll definitely be back. I mean, it pretty much go just about anywhere you want it to go. So, I mean, we had a blast. Absolutely fun time, man. Like I said, it rained absolutely all day. We weren't even sure if we were going to be able to make it, but stopped raining and a little overcast now. But I mean, fun time, man. Just appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I mean, we'll catch you on the next one. We got a lot of stuff coming, so we'll see you guys later.